In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if WhatsApp verification code is not coming on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings and then scroll down until we find messages. On messages, first off, we need to ensure that iMessage turned on, and then we need to get into notifications, and that's where we need to ensure that allow notifications toggle is also turned on so that we don't miss any notifications about verification codes from WhatsApp. If for some reason it doesn't help, I recommend you to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and then make sure that Do Not Disturb or any other focus modes are turned off. And right here it says focus, because some focus modes can block notification from Messages app. If for some reason it doesn't help, I recommend you to reboot your network connections. The easiest way to do so is activate airplane mode. Just tap right here at this airplane icon, and what that will do, that will activate airplane mode, and that means that it will turn off all your Wi-Fi and cellular data connections. Then, after you wait for a while, maybe 5 to 10 seconds, you need to tap at airplane mode icon again to deactivate it, and that will start both of your Wi-Fi and cellular data connections. So that's how you can fix that issue when WhatsApp verification code is not coming on your device. If it doesn't help you for some reason, write down about it in the comments below and we'll try to find solution together. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.